Alright guys, started the ductwork. It's all aluminum, so it doesn't rust inside the pool area. Going to put a custom-made flange around there. Tees off and reduces. Goes around to those windows and doors. And it's be going around in a loop and join to this one. Made some holes for the skylights. Start these holes here. I'll be doing the same thing all along, all the way around. From there, it goes in on top of the ceiling, and it ends up in here. Cut a hole here, and it ends up over there. There's a vent for plumbing. Got to move that out of the way. It's gonna come all along here. In this hole, we're gonna be attaching it to the unit on the supply side. Lovely. They put a light up. But look what they did on the other side. They made it so tight, I can't move my system at all. This way and this way will be very difficult. Alright guys, and she's done. Came up pretty nice. Connects to the T. Over there, it's gonna be a custom grill. It's gonna be the return. It goes all the way around. See where we made the holes. Get some air movement for the skylights. It's not the best engineered design the way they wanted it. And then all along the glass here, there's holes. Oh, guess what's gone? That's out. Supply, and the return is going to be coming through here. It's going to be a custom piece transitioning. That vent is going to be in the middle of the return and the supply. The exhaust vent in there had to be redone. It was in the way. Come on the other side, the refrigeration is done. It's connected to the unit on the other side. The plumbing is to the unit. The refrigeration is to the unit. Just gonna insulate it. It's getting there. The electrical is done. Well, halfway done. Goes into my pumps around here. The actuators. The pump down here. My hydronics. I still gotta get the telestats and the thermostat, wire that up. Alright guys, gas is done. Comes in here, goes up to my boiler. Got my helper to do this one for the first time. He didn't do too bad of a job. Anyways, also did the boiler for the condensate for the boiler. Goes along here. That's going to be going to my drain here eventually, as well as the condensate from the evaporator core, the unit. Got a little breather there, goes into the unit, comes down, and it's going to be tied into this PEX line here. This PEX line goes right back to the pool, which is a great idea. If you would just plumb this to the drain, all that water from the evaporator coil is wasted, and you'll lose about 1 inch of water per week. Also, had to reopen this Because I mentioned to the homeowner, I see 2 lines here for domestic hot water tank probably. It's like, yeah, let me contact my contractor. Yep, domestic hot water tank. So, gave them a quote, they decided to go with us. Had to reopen it, and we're gonna add this hot water tank to our loop. The other thing left to do, auxiliary pool heat, titanium heat exchanger. And that's pretty well it. We could run the system when they're ready.